Alrighty then, I am back with another tutorial. So today we're just going to learn how to move algebraic equations around to separate for a variable. So this will be useful for stuff like physics or math 6 to, or any math that's about grade 5 onwards. This will help you. Let me just see it's displacing. No, okay, we're good. So what you do is, say we have an equation like AB 2AB equals, and say you want to separate for C. So right here, a lot of you may be able to visibly see, but since this is C times A squared, so there's actually an invisible dot right here, and right here. So if there's nothing with the variables, it's an invisible dot. So that's like 2 times A times B squared. So if those were actual numbers, like say B was 6, then it would go 6 squared times A times 2. So if we get back to finding C, what you would do is to get rid of, or to do anything to one of the sides of the equation, you have to do it to both. So this is multiplying by A squared. What you can do is divide by A squared on both sides. 2, and that would turn into 2AB squared over A squared equals C. Now some of you may notice that if you do A over A squared, that is actually the same as this and this getting removed, because you're dividing A over A. So what you can do is you go, this is now just 1 over A. So you can actually change this to 2B squared over A equals C. And then if we actually had numbers to say like B was 3 and A was 6, I don't know. So it would be 2 times 3 squared over, what did I say A was? 6? 6. So what this would turn into is 3 squared is 9 times 2 is 18. 18 over 6, which is equal to 3 over 1, which is equal to 3. Let me just move the light out of it, and there you go. So that's how you move variables around.